I'm Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY. Welcome back to the palace. And today we're doing a Dollar Tree Glam Glitter Centerpiece. But before jumping into this centerpiece, if you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, hit that subscribe button. Tap your bell twice and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, now what we're using for this Dollar Tree DIY, I'm using the little cylinder candy dish from the Dollar Tree. I'm using this bowl from the Dollar Tree, and it's like a beaded metal look, but it also has a mirror effect look in it. So that's what the inside looks like and the outside. So we're using that. We're using our glitter, and this is the holographic glitter from Walmart. I'm using the gold and the white ultrafine from Walmart. You're gonna have to have your paintbrush, your glue of your choice, and I'm using the Podge Quick Hold. I'm using some of that Hotfix Rhinestone from BENECREAT, and you're also gonna have to have Podge. What we're gonna do next is, and I just have my glass here because I want to mix the glitters. And I want to take, and I'm just going to eyeball my pores. I'm going to be using in more glitter, but if you would just use, if you're using two colors, I would use like 3/4 of your major color to 1/4 of your add-in color. And I want my silver to be my major color. So I got my silver. I'll pour in a little bit of that gold. And we're just going to mix it. I always tell you when you're doing Mod Podge, just use something that you can catch your glitter with. And I'm just going to dip. And pour. And you know, a lot of times I am very zealous when adding Mod Podge, but on this I definitely want to work it in circles. But I'm going to do the whole top of this portion first. And you want to make sure that if you would replicate this DIY, that you would get enough Mod Podge on what you can see. Because a lot of this stem you won't be able to see. So you want to make sure you coat it well. And I covered about half of the cylinder on the side. And all we're going to do is, I want to just pour. making sure I'm getting some at this bottom because that base has a clear opening, so I want to make sure that it's actually coated well. Alright, now while we got our base drying, we're going to decorate out the top. Now isn't this lovely? Look how beautiful the design on that is. And we're going to take our Mod Podge quick hole, and all I'm doing is I'm just actually trimming the edge with some of that sparkle from that rhinestone Hotfix. And I cut off my row of my tooth. And I'm just adding it on. Like such. And all I want is, you see that? I want that sparkle trim on that. And we're going to do that all the way around. Filling my piece, I have this, and all you do when you're doing your Mod Podge pieces is you just take some more of that glue and just tap it on so that it can seal it to dry. Now I have that much left to let it finish sealing, but the piece is looking like this. Isn't that gorgeous, everyone? And we just gotta wait on that much to dry. Quick fold. Here. There. Just adding in enough to add pressure. Go ahead and let it hold now. And that's it, everyone. Now I'm going to include a picture of where we're styling it. And remember, that's the only spot left drying. But look at that rhinestone trim. And look at that base. That silver and gold coming off the bottom against that silver metal-like finish is gorgeous. But that's what we're looking like. And I'm going to actually include in a picture of a temporary housing for this, because this is actually a piece that is actually coming after I take down Christmas. It's going to stay up for Christmas, but it's actually for Christmas takedown. Alright, and again, I hope you enjoyed this Glam Dollar Tree DIY centerpiece. And if you're still by chance watching and you're not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap your bell twice so you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make the next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.